ago, we brought you the story of a local dog named Pochi who was having trouble getting up and moving around. She underwent a relatively new procedure called stem cell therapy at Kahalapet Hospital. KITV4's Paula Akana gives us a look at Pochi today.
This was Pochi, a 7-year-old Australian healer in late July as she lay on the table at Kahalapet Hospital awaiting a stem cell injection. Pochi had degenerative knees. Her owner describes her pain.
She used to drag her legs when she walked. She couldn't walk well, run well, and in the end, just before the operation, she used to scream and walk up from the pain.
Dr. Patrick Leadbeater suggested they try a relatively new procedure to the islands called regenerative stem cell therapy. If not, he said the dog may need knee replacement or amputation. Using a camera and monitor, Dr. Leadbeater carefully harvested fat from the dog's abdomen. The fat was then FedExed to a company on the mainland called VetStem, where the fat is chopped, treated, then placed into a machine that separates the stem cells. Then the stem cells are FedExed right back. 2 days after harvesting, the package arrives, and the stem cells are injected back into Pochi's joints. A relatively quick and simple process. Months later, here she is. Pochi is back to her old self again, running around seemingly without any trouble or pain. Pochi's owner swears they saw a difference the day of the stem cell injection. Dr. Leadbeater says it has made a difference.
Her range of motion and willingness to do things has dramatically increased since the insertion of the stem cells.
Stem cell therapy is not a cure-all, and it's not for all dogs.
And those dogs that, as we said before, that really have bad, gnarly hips, bone-on-bone rubbing, where there's no remnant of articulating cartilage, probably still need replacement.
As for Pochi's recovery?
Amazing. It is really amazing.
Paula Akana, KITV4 Island Television News.